Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in front of me is the NASDAQ 100, aka NAS100, US 100, whatever you call it. So is it a good time to buy? That is the big question on every trader's lips. So I'm on a 1 hour chart right now. What I'm looking at on a 1 hour, I see market has formed a level of resistance and support at this point. Let me just mark it out for you quickly so that you can see it. This is a level of I consider this a level of resistance. This is a level of support. That is why we saw market going up after touching this level of support. As you can see, it touched here, it went up. Same thing. We have 1, 2, 3 touches here. So now the big question on everybody's list is it going to go up or it's going to drop from the current resistance? So how do we know if it's going to continue higher? If it breaks above this level, then we can see market continuing higher. I look at this as a pullback. If this is a pullback, this is what you do to gauge either market is going to continue to the upside. You're going to have to draw a minor trend line. Let me just unzoom. I go to a smaller time frame. Then this is what I do. My internet is a bit slow. Okay, I go to a smaller time frame. Then this is what I do. I will have my minor trend line, mark it from here, drop it down. Practically, I will be looking to buy only if market breaks above this minor pullback trend line. I call it the minor pullback trend line. This is where you would look to buy. I would place maybe my buy stop above maybe 14,500. If it closes and go above this point, we should expect market to continue. Then it should break this zone of resistance and it should continue higher. Then the best thing would be to buy for at least 100 to 200 pips. That would be the best trade to take. Then going down, if it decides to drop furthermore, how do we know? If today it decides to drop, what you do is quite simple. You just wait for the market to drop, then you're going to sell on the pullback tomorrow. You just wait for it. Another important factor that you have to consider is looking at the fundamentals. Look at the numbers, look at what was the latest update from all the 100 companies that are under the NASDAQ. You check your Tesla, you check your Google, your Microsoft, your Amazon. Those figures will give you an idea as to where could market go from here. So let me just refresh quickly, then let's see if we are getting any feedback here. Internet's a bit slow. Bear with me here. Okay, so if it's a green day like this, you have your Tesla figures at, I'm not sure if these are the updated figures, but you have to go through and check if it looks like a green day. If it's a green day, then we can expect market to continue to the upside. Then we can continue buying on pullbacks, but I just need to be sure if these are the updated figures on these companies, because the main companies that you have to look at, it's your Tesla, it's your Amazon, it's your Google, Microsoft, Apple. As you can see, we've got positive figures on the Apple side with 6.98. Microsoft is also doing good with 2.81. Google is also doing good with 3.37. Facebook also doing good. Amazon also doing good. Tesla also doing good. If these companies are performing, then you will look to hold your buy trade with confidence. But now you need to get an entry as to how and when are you going to start buying the market. Let's go back quickly and check if we have any movement to the upside, which might permit us to go ahead and buy. Let's check quickly. My internet is so slow. Don't know what's happening, but we're gonna be patient and wait. gonna be patient and wait. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe and turn on the notification button so that every time I post a video you don't miss out on this content. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. Okay, so currently we don't have much movement on the NASDAQ. Remember what I said we have to wait for a pullback trend line to be broken before we can jump in on a buy. What I like to do is just go on a smaller time frame, then I just do this, then I wait for the break off of this level, and that's when I would look to take a trade. So all the best for the week, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I post more content. Thank you so much.